What if I told you that deep in the heart of Texas, there's a forest that's burned down and come back to life? Twice. Bastrop State Park isn't just a scenic place to camp or hike. It's home to the Lost Pines, a mysterious pocket of forest separated from their East Texas relatives by over 100 miles. This place has survived massive wildfires, floods, and time itself, and what's left behind is nothing short of a living miracle. Stick around because you're about to see a side of Texas most people have never even heard of. I'm setting out on an adventure to explore every state park in Texas. From serene lakesides to rugged mountain trails, each one of the 85 parks has its own story to tell. I'll be hiking, camping, and uncovering what makes each park unique. Join me as I dive into the wild beauty of the Lone Star State. Here I am at Bastrop State Park for my third state park of this series. I have high hopes for this one, and this park has a lot of, trouble history, if you will. Been through floods and fires, and I just want to see how it's been able to cope and recover. And I've seen some pictures. It looks really nice and lush, and I've seen a lot of blackberries that people have picked, and I've always wanted to try a wild blackberry. So that'll be fun. I want to try that out. Gabby and I are starting off the day on the Lost Pines Loop. It's the only way to access the Little Alum Creek Lake, and that's where we're planning to have a picnic for lunch.
Just stopping and resting over here by this little scenic overlook building that they have. It's pretty cute. It's very cool in the building with the rocks and the shade, so it's nice.
I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the Fehr, F-E-H-R.
The Fehr Overlook.
Trying a wild blackberry from the state park.
It's a bit tart, probably. Got an eyelash.
Oh yeah. Sweet. Gabby and I are about 1 mile into the Lost Pines Loop. It's an 8.4 mile trail. We're kind of at the top over here, so you can see all the dead trees that got burned in the fire behind me 14 years ago. This part of the park has sand trails. It's given beach vibes to me. We are here. Oh yeah.
We're gonna be
we're trying to make it down
right
here.
by Bastrop State Park. Or however you say it.
Okay, I think we made it to the lake turnoff. We got this thing here. How does this make you feel that we can go to the lake and take a break now?
Pretty nice.
Are you gonna consult the map?
Yeah.
She doesn't trust me. So we're turning off here. We're gonna hit the Heron Hideaway. It's a lake here. And we're gonna set up the hammock, have a nice break, have our snack, because we've been walking for 4 miles straight pretty much. And it's a little hot today. It was supposed to be a little more cloudy, but the forecast didn't hold through from earlier this week. Nice and windy out here. My goodness. We got our hammock set up though. We hit about 4 miles. Hit this nice lake. It's called Little, oh my goodness, it's windy. Little Alum Creek Lake. I'm gonna get some drone footage. Gabby's gonna probably just sit in the sun, read her book. We are in this break and some of our Rice Krispie treats.
Here I am in the hammock. It's a little bit windy. Yeah, and Cameron's over there trying to get some footage, I guess, with the drone probably. Don't really know where he is. Oh, there he is.
Snack of choice. It's a salted caramel Rice Krispie treat from Buc-ee's. And we already had some Cheez-Its white cheddar. That's pretty good. We just got done with our picnic, nice little picnic. And I think we're not actually gonna finish the loop. We're just gonna go back the way we came because I think it's another 5 miles to finish the loop and I don't think we were ready for a 9-mile day. Plus some more after that.
Oh, just because our car is not parked over there.
That's true, our car is not parked on that side because it's not a full loop.
It is. It's like a pea pod.
Oh yeah, from these things.
Oh.
Little pea pod. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it's not really, it's like it's a loop, but it's not really, it makes more of a C, a backwards C. And our car's not parked over there, so we're just gonna walk back. Another 4 miles though, that'll be nice. Low key, we down bad right now. Gabby's singing a song to motivate herself to keep going. We're about to hit up that Overlook again for a well-needed rest because we've been going for about 7.23 miles now. And it's hot, so we need this. After 8 miles, we made it back to the car and finally I can get a refill of water because we ran out of water in the last 1 mile there. And I am parched. After that tiring hike, we took a drive around the park to see what else it had to offer. We found a playground and a swimming pool, which usually opens from May through September. The bathrooms were surprisingly clean too, always a bonus when you're out hiking or camping. There actually used to be a golf course at Bastrop State Park, and these paths in the upper part of the park are all paved, and they were all untouched during the 2011 Bastrop Complex Fire. This is the old clubhouse. The golf course shut down in 2015 because the community grew and just the need for the golf course was not as much as needed because there was others that opened around it. Overall, the park was really nice and there weren't as many signs of the wildfire as I was expecting. I definitely would recommend going to the Little Alum Creek Lake because it was so secluded and you could just relax without being disturbed. I will say that the hike there and back is no joke and challenging because of the distance, so make sure to be prepared. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more of my hiking and outdoor adventures right here on the channel. If you want to see my newest content, make sure to hit subscribe so you'll get notified. Thanks for watching.